Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Ping and Play. I hope all you are doing good. So today I'm enabling the communication between three different VLANs by using this Trunkport. See this switch 1, switch 2, VLAN 10, VLAN 20, VLAN 30, VLAN 10, VLAN 20, VLAN 30 will enable the communication between PC0 to PC3, which the devices in the same VLAN, and this PC1, PC4, likewise PC3 and PC5 have to communicate. We'll do it by using trunk port. PC0 IP address, PC1, PC2, PC3, PC4. For PC5 I have assigned the IP address 10.0.0.6. Clear? We'll get into switch CLI. Enable config key, will create the VLANs. VLAN 10 name sales, VLAN 20 name IT, VLAN 30 name HR. Exit. Do show VLAN. See here, VLANs are created. We'll give the access to devices of VLAN. Config key, interface, range, FA 0/1, 2, 3, switch port mode, access. Interface FA 0/1, switch port access VLAN 10. Interface FA 0/2, switch port access VLAN 20. Interface FA 0/3, switch port access VLAN 30. We'll check. Do show VLAN. FA 0/1 in the VLAN 10 group, FA 0/20 in the VLAN 20 group, FA 0/3 in the VLAN 30 group. Likewise, we'll do it in switch 1 as well. Switch 1 CLI, enable config T. We'll create the VLANs first. VLAN 10 name sales, VLAN 20 name ID, VLAN 30 name HR department. Do show VLAN. Here VLANs are created. And now switch port, sorry, interface range FA0/1 to 3. Switch port mode access exit. Interface FA0/1. Switch port access VLAN 10. Interface FA0/2. Switch port mode, sorry, access VLAN 20. Interface FA0/3. Switch port mode VLAN 30. Sorry, switch port access VLAN 30. We'll check. See here, FA0/1 in the VLAN 10 group, FA0/2 in the VLAN 20 group, FA0/3 is in the VLAN 30 group. Exit. Now we'll try to ping 10.0.0.4 here. Ping 10.0.0.4. See here, have ping PC0 to PC3. Request timeout. Unreachable. And then what should we do here? FA0/4. FA0/4 will be the trunk port. Which port? Trunk port. Okay. We'll configure the trunk port. Interface FA0/4. Switch port mode trunk. Likewise, we'll do in switch 1. Interface FA0/4. Switch port mode trunk. Now we'll try to ping from PC0 to PC0 to PC3. What happened? It's pinging, right? See here, it's pinging. So that's what trunk port. We'll try to ping from PC1 to PC4. I'm in PC1. Will ping PC4 10.0.0.5. See, it's pinging. PC0 in VLAN 20 is able to reachable win PC4 in the VLAN 20 group by the trunk port. We'll try to ping from PC2 to VLAN 30, PC5 will ping. Oh my. Ping 10 dot 0 dot 0 dot 6. See here, it's pinging. This is the trunk port configuration between VLAN 10, VLAN 20, VLAN 30. Trunkport will carry the multiple VLAN traffic to another device. Trunkport will enable the communication between VLANs. So that is the configuration of Trunkport. Please like, share, subscribe to Ping and Play. We'll do more topologies, we'll do more labs on every mechanism, and we'll do the packet flow as well. Bye guys. Bye bye.